it's Smashley. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time. And if it's your first time, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post brand new DIY videos every single week, so come and join the fam. For today's video, okay, so obviously you guys can see I have large canvas behind me. I have been dying to do a large canvas piece, and I think it's really because I feel like I need some practice. I have a few pieces that I've already committed to and a few projects I've already committed to that are soon to come. I can't tell you yet, but I feel like I need to start getting in the groove of things and doing some more canvas work to be good at it. So I convinced my best friend to let me make a massive canvas piece for her home. And by massive, it's not that big. It's just probably one of the bigger pieces that I've done. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. One big ol' large abstract canvas painting. So this isn't the first time that I've done canvas work on my channel. If you guys watched the canvas line art piece, I'll go ahead and link the, what is it? I'll link the webs. I'll link the link. I will link the webs. What? I will put the link of that video up here so you guys can go check that one out. But it's gonna be a little bit different. That one I had a full-blown idea of really what I was going for, and today it's kind of loose. So that being said, I feel like I just want to vibe out with the piece. I'd probably just grab some wine, play some music, and kind of vibe out with it, and we'll see what we come up with at the end. So make sure you stick around so you can see the final result. And really quick before we get started, I will go through materials with you guys. So first things first, you will obviously need your paint. The majority of the colors I'm going to be using are going to be more on the neutral side, but I do have a couple pops of color in there just in case we're feeling crazy today. I also have a variety of paint brushes. I have a couple that I picked up at Michael's. These are kind of just some bigger brushes. I can get a lot more paint on these guys. And then I also have this pack of like actual paint brushes, like you would use these for your wall typically. But listen, I got a lot of real estate to cover on this canvas, so I figured those are probably gonna be the easiest to get me there. I have a palette and, oh, the actual canvas. So the canvas itself is a 24 by 36 inch canvas, and I learned something new today at Michael's, or not today, the other day, whatever. I learned something new at Michael's. Apparently there's different professional levels for canvases, and they had between 1 and 3, or levels 1 and 3 at the Michael's that I went to. I noticed the difference was the thickness in each of the canvases. So the higher you went up, the thicker that it was. So I chose to go with professional level 3. It has a lot thicker of a border around it. And I know for a fact, I'm gonna wanna paint the border black. So it kind of just looks like it's coming off of the wall. I don't know, I'm still developing the idea, but I knew I wanted a thicker canvas, so I went with professional level 3. If you guys are finding yourselves in Michael's looking for canvases and you're kind of unsure what the difference between the different levels are, it's usually the thickness of the canvas all the way around. All right, I guess we'll get started. for the big reveal. Here we are, you guys. What do we think? I know it's kind of like a little bit of an oddball, like abstract piece, but I feel like it came from my heart. I had a blast making it. And ultimately, it kind of gave me the vibe that I wanted. I knew I kind of wanted those thick brush strokes, and those paint brushes typically used for the wall worked perfectly on here. The one thing I will say is if you guys do use them, when you go to change your color and you put it in the water, they retain a lot more water than what the smaller paintbrushes do, like obviously. I didn't know that, and so I kind of got a couple extra drips on the painting, more than I was wanting to. But I still think it turned out great. You guys kind of saw or got to see my entire thought process of, you know, trying a couple things, not really liking them, kind of going over them with different color. And I was just waiting for it to kind of feel finished and become a cohesive piece. So I really, really hope that you love this. I can't wait to see this staged in your home. For the rest of you guys watching, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.